Tessa, that's Thurston's place. Leave him alone. You're so mean. What are you guys doing? Get her, Thurston. Tessa, get down. Honey, leave him alone. Give the kitty kiss. Y'all be nice to each other. Be nice. Thurston, call the kitty. Call the kitty. Is that a cat? Yes, it is. You're so smart. Do you like those fish? She says, I love watching the fish. I caught you. Yes. What are y'all doing? Tessa, why can't you leave him alone? Get down. Thurston, is she your girlfriend? Is that your girlfriend? Give the kitty kiss. Give the kitty kiss. Yes, is that your girlfriend? Y'all are so cute. You love that kitty, don't you? You do. Give the kitty kiss. Oh, be nice. Hey, Thurston. You're so sweet. My goodness. Tessa. Get down, baby girl. Y'all are silly. Y'all are silly. Y'all are just silly. This is shitty lighting. This is horrible lighting. Tessa, you know he's not going to let you do that. He will bite your head off. He sure will. What are you doing? Tessa, you ran Thurston off, didn't you? Oh, you were such a bad kitty.